Hello, this is Kathy Egan. I am trying my first time using the Screenomatic tool. I decided to try as a test and for extra credit possibly the hands-on exercise in the Pearson lab for table design, creation, and modification. In the hands-on exercise, we are asked to create a table in datasheet view, which I did here. And we first open the Microsoft Office Access software and click on blank desktop database and type in the name of the database, which is here at the top, and we click OK to start creating the new database. Access will automatically create the ID field as you enter in the information as you tab through the different columns. So in the assignment, we were assigning the branch ID. We named that header, and we next tabbed over and named the next column as a manager and the next column as location. And when we went to enter the actual information into the different columns, Access ID automatically starts the primary key for us as we tab through the columns to enter the information. And once we're done entering the information in the assignment, it asks us to save the table. So we were able to save that table by hitting on File at the top here and then naming the table as branch. And that ends the hands-on exercise in Microsoft Access, creating table design, creation, and modification.